Ever blocked someone on Discord and then couldn't find them again? Maybe it was a spammer from months ago or an old friend you fell out with, and now you want to undo it instantly. Well, here is exactly how to see your blocked list in seconds. Just 3 simple steps. Open Settings, go to Content and Social, and scroll down. Let us do it together right now. So the very first thing you want to do is look down at the bottom left corner of your Discord window. You will see your profile picture and your username sitting there. Right next to them is a small gear icon. That is your user settings. Just click on that gear. I know, it looks tiny, but it is your gateway to pretty much every control you have on Discord. This is where we start. Now, once you are in settings, you will see a long list of options on the left-hand side. It can look a little overwhelming, I get it, but do not worry. You are not looking for privacy or appearance or any of the usual suspects. What we need is a little further down. So now that we have got Content and Social open, we are almost there. Just start scrolling down the main part of the page. Keep going past the settings for direct messages and friend requests. You will eventually reach the bottom, and right there, at the very end, you will see a heading that says Blocked Accounts. That is it. That is the list. Every single person you have ever blocked on Discord is sitting right there, ready for you to review. In my experience, this is the fastest way to see everything at a glance, without digging through old chats. Once you see the list, you have a lot of control. If you want to unblock someone, just click the small X next to their name and confirm. They will go back to being a normal user again. Or, if you just wanted to check who was on there, now you know. You can close settings and get back to your conversations. And that is really all there is to it. From being totally unsure where Discord hides your blocked users to having it all right in front of you in under a minute. Now you can keep your friends list clean and your peace of mind intact. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I will catch you in the next one.